Welcome back to Canva series. Today we will design YouTube thumbnail of our part 1 video, so let's type YouTube thumbnail in the search area. Here are a lot of templates. You can use these templates to customize according to your design. Some of these are free and some are paid, like these one is a paid content, you can purchase them from Canva. Now let's select any template to customize it according to our design. It is full free to use this design however you like, change its image, change text size style, change background or anything you want. But I will teach you to design from scratch, so let's open another page. Here I will change color of the page, I want deep blue for my Canva series. Go to the upload option to upload a picture of your choice. I have already downloaded Canva icon with transparent background from Google. I will upload it for my computer folder. Drag and drop of click on the image for it to appear on your design page. Now I am going to the test option to add text in my YouTube thumbnail. Select any text, I am going with a simple heading text area. Change its text according to your video title. I am changing it to Canva for Beginners, as it is the title of my first video. Change it font as you like and change its size so it pops on the title. After setting my text, now I am going to design my thumbnail with some design element. Go to the element option and write which type of design you want. I am searching for some dotted circle. There are a lot of options you can search design elements from. Selecting any design, click to make it appear on your design page. I will send this design to the back so my logo is on the front and design on the back. We can also change color of the design element. I will change its color according to my thumbnail theme. Now we will randomly drop some design element on our page to make it appealing. I have a design in my mind, for that I am searching a circle. Okay, so here I am selecting some circle and looking which one suits better in my design. This takes some trails, so I will speed up this process as making appealing design is a must for thumbnail. I am also changing color of the design according to my theme. It in anywhere you want. Another interesting feature is you can decrease transparency of element, text, image and everything. So I am decreasing transparency of the element because the neon sign is very sharp and it is popping more than title. In a free account you can only download design with free element. These are pro, which you can only get after you purchase pro version or you take 7-day trial of pro version. I want to add some interesting thing like a subscribe element. There are two options. One, you can find any template which have this design, or you can create your own one. In this template, this subscribe design have watermark on it, which mean it is not a free element and we cannot download it without watermark. So let's create our own without any watermark. Search rectangle for the base of subscribe design. Here we have a lot of, I am selecting a rounded corner one. Let's select the base from multiple options and see which is best for my design. This one is good. Delete previous ones and change color of this purple to red. Add text for the text subscribe. Here is another interesting feature. Select multiple elements and from right-click list select group. This will attach their items with one another, so when moving everything moves together. Change font and size of the text and resize it however you want. Now I want another element. I am searching a question mark in the element search option. Select free one for your design. Change its color and transparency. Now to make thumbnail more stylish I am adding more neon signs. They are totally optional and up to you how many you want. But always try to keep design simple but not empty. My design is complete and now I will download it. Select the share option. Here open the page list and select the page you want to download. I am downloading page 2 only because it is the design I want. Here you can see my design is being downloaded. Open the folder where it downloaded your design. Open it with Image Viewer. So guys, this is the design of my thumbnail for Canva series. I will use it for all videos by only changing the text. Hope to see you in the next video with some more interesting Canva uses.